In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MailChimp for business step by step so you can manage your audience, create email campaigns, and send professional messages that help grow your brand. MailChimp is one of the most popular tools for business email marketing, and once you understand the workflow, it becomes much easier to stay in touch with customers, promote offers, and automate your communication. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more business software guides just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is sign in to your MailChimp account. Open your web browser and go to MailChimp, then enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout because MailChimp is organized around your audience, campaigns, automation, and reporting tools. The dashboard can look busy at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus only on the parts you need to get started for business use. Next, go to the audience section from the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you manage your subscribers, contact lists, and customer data. Think of your audience as the foundation of your email marketing. If you don't have contacts loaded in yet, this is where you'll begin. Click Audience and you'll be able to see your list or lists depending on how your account is set up. Now it's time to import your contacts. Click Add Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. This is a useful step if you already have customer emails in another system, spreadsheet, or CRM and want to bring them into MailChimp. When you import contacts, make sure your list is clean, accurate, and permission-based. That means only sending emails to people who have agreed to hear from your business. This helps protect your sender reputation and keeps your campaigns more effective over time. Once your audience is ready, the next step is to create a new email campaign. Go to Campaigns from the left-hand menu, click Create, and then choose Email, followed by Regular. A regular email campaign is ideal for newsletters, promotions, announcements, product updates, and general business communication. This is the type of campaign most businesses use when they want to send a one-time message to a group of contacts. After that, you'll need to name your campaign. Choose a descriptive campaign name that clearly tells you what the email is about so you can find it later without confusion. For example, you might name it something like May Newsletter, Spring Promotion, or New Product Launch. Once the name is entered, click Begin to continue. Now you'll choose your email template. MailChimp gives you several template options, or you can start with a basic layout. A basic layout is a great choice if you want a clean starting point that's easy to customize. It gives you flexibility while keeping your email professional and easy to read. After selecting the template you want, click Apply. This is where you customize your email. Edit the campaign so it matches your brand, message, and goal. You can update the text, upload your logo, add or replace images, insert buttons, add hyperlinks, and rearrange content blocks to match the layout you want. When building a business email, keep the design simple and focused. Your audience should understand the message quickly, and there should be one clear action you want them to take. Whether that's visiting your website, booking a call, reading a blog post, or making a purchase, make that next step obvious. As you're designing, try to keep everything readable. Use short paragraphs, clear headings, and enough spacing so the email doesn't feel crowded. A clean layout usually performs better than a complicated one because people can scan it faster, especially on mobile devices. If your emails has too much going on, the main message can get lost, so always keep the goal front and center. After customizing the content, review your email before sending it. Check that your subject line is clear and compelling, your content is formatted properly, your images load correctly, and your call to action stands out. It's also important to make sure your branding is consistent, including your colors, logo, and tone of voice. Use preview or send test emails so you can see exactly how the campaign will look to recipients before you send it to your full audience. Now move on to the campaign settings. Review the recipient audience from name, from email address, subject line, and preview text if you want to include one. These details matter because they influence how professional your email looks and whether people choose to open it. Double check everything carefully before moving forward. A small mistake here, like the wrong audience or subject line, can create problems later, so take your time. When everything looks right, you're ready for the final step. Click Send to launch your campaign. Once sent, MailChimp will deliver your email to the selected audience and you can later review performance metrics like opens, clicks, and engagement. That feedback is extremely useful because it helps you improve your future campaigns and understand what your audience responds to best. And that's how to use MailChimp for business. You've learned how to sign in, manage your audience, import contacts, create a regular email campaign, customize your design, review everything carefully, and send it with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next business software walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.